Setup for Python module htmlwhat. Hey, welcome to the third day of Valentine week with datacamp. My name is Shrey and today I will be sharing the setup for htmlwhat. So yesterday we talked about three important components of protowhat: state, TestRunner and feedback. So I have created state for htmlwhat, but how? So the first requirement of state is very easy: student and solution code, which can be simply a string. But the second requirement of state is challenging, which is AST of both codes. Now, AST is nothing but just a parse tree and of HTML in this case. So I have two options. Either I can use HTML5 lib or I can use BeautifulSoup. And I prefer BeautifulSoup because it provides advanced features that will be helpful in making test functions. Then the question is how we use BeautifulSoup with protowhat state. So the state component of protowhat provides us a feature called AST dispatcher. This feature allows us to create our own dispatcher based on our requirements. Just like SQLwhat uses the ANTLR module to create AST for SQL. But what is dispatcher? So dispatcher is always a central piece of data flow, and in our case it provides AST. Now the question is how to create a dispatcher for HTMLwhat? Very easy. Protowhat itself provides dispatcher interface. And listen to me carefully here, if you are a beginner watching this video and do not know what interface is, then please learn it. It will definitely help you to write organized and code with less errors. So I created HTML dispatcher using the interface and provided it to state. And boom, we are ready to go. And in the last, we just need to create a parse method in HTML dispatcher, which provide AST to the state, and we can simply start creating test functions. And after all, this is how the code look like. So that's it for today, and tomorrow we will create a test function and generate feedback. And remember, if you have any question, let me know in the comment below.